Dear students, in our last lecture we have discussed the applications of definite integration. In that we have studied the definite integration to find out the area of the region bounded by given curve. If the curve is given y is equal to f of x and if it is bounded to x axis, then if you evaluate the integration from a to b f of x dx, then it will be the area bounded by that particular curve to the x axis. Similarly, if the function is given to you x is equal to g of y, then it is bounded to the y axis, then we have to evaluate the integration with respect to y. So that concept we have studied in last lecture. Now today we are going to solve the exercise number 7.1 related to that concept. Just we have to find out, see the question number 1, find out the area of the region bounded by curves, the x axis and the given lines. Here first example is given to you, that is the function is given y is equal to x raised to 4 and the lines are x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 5. Means if you draw the diagram, rough diagram to understand this, then suppose if I draw the x axis and y axis like this here, see here conceptually see the actual part of that concept. Okay, so here it is x axis and y axis. Suppose here it is 1 and here it is 5, means x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 5, and suppose y is equal to x raised to 4, means the function is given y is equal to f of x, that is equal to x raised to 4 here. Now suppose the graph of this function is suppose like this, means from 1 to 5 is, suppose the graph is like this. This is just a rough sketch of the graph, not perfect, but to understand the concept I have drawn the graph here, that is y is equal to f of x. Now it is bounded to x axis as it is given here like this. It is bounded to x axis suppose from 1 to 5. Then what we have to find out? We have to find out the area of the region bounded by this curve to the x axis, means this is the shaded region for which we have to find out the area of this shaded region. Now here as it is bounded to x axis, so in answer how will you write here? So the function is given, that is y is equal to x raised to 4. It is just like y is equal to f of x. See here, y is equal to f of x and curve is bounded to, given curve is bounded to x axis from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 5. So this detailed information is given to you. Now to get the area of the shaded region, we will write area A is equal to, it is nothing but by application of definite integration, it will be integration from 1 to 5 of function y with respect to x. See, area A is equal to integration from 1 to 5 of y dx. So that is here it is integration from 1 to 5, y means x raised to 4 and we have to evaluate the integration with respect to x. Now you know the integration of x raised to 4 is x raised to 5 upon 5. So I will write like this, and from 1 to 5. Now to solve further, we will take 1 by 5 outside of the integration and in bracket it will be x raised to 5 from 1 to 5. Now just a calculation here. So 1 by 5 as it is. Now we have to put the upper limit, that is 5 raised to 5 minus lower limit, that is 1 raised to 5. Now see the calculation here by which you will get the area of the region. So here it is 1 upon 5 as it is. Now 5 raised to 5 is 3125 minus this is 1 raised to 5 is 1, and hence we get 3125 minus 1, that is 3124 upon 5 square units. So see how to find out the area of the given curve bounded by that curve to the x-axis. If the limits of x are given to you, then and the function is in the form of y is equal to f of x, then we have to prefer the area bounded to the x-axis. So the function is given y is equal to f of x, so you have to integrate the given function with respect to x, and the answer of that definite integration, that is here 3124 upon 5, that is called as the area bounded by that particular curve to the x-axis from 1 to 5. Okay. Now let us take another one. Here the curve is given y is equal to root of 6x plus 4 from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2. Now again here, if you want to write the answer, then the function is given in the form of y is equal to f of x, that is equal to, here it is root of 6x plus 4. Now this curve is bounded to x-axis, bounded to x-axis from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2. And if you want to calculate the area bounded by that particular region, then area A is equal to, by definite integration, it will be integration from 0 to 2 integration of y with respect to x. Y means f of x, so y is in terms of x, so you have to evaluate the integration with respect to x. So see here, so it will be integration from 0 to 2. Now integration of root of 6x plus 4 dx. So we have to evaluate the integration of root of 6x plus 4 dx. Now how will you evaluate this integration? We know that integration from 0 to 2. Now root of 6x plus 4 means it is 6x plus 4 raised to 1 by 2 dx. Now you know that integration of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus constant. But suppose in place of x, if there is ax plus b raised to n, then how will you integrate that? You have to integrate like this: ax plus b raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, just like x raised to n. We have to evaluate here also for ax plus b raised to n, where a and b are constant. But in this case, if we write ax plus b raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 only, then it is wrong. Then what to do here? We have to divide by the derivative of ax plus b. Here the derivative of ax plus b will be a. Derivative of ax plus b will be a. So we have to divide this ax plus b raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into a. Means we have to divide by a also. That is, a is nothing but it is the derivative of ax plus b. Okay. So by this rule, now here we will apply this rule to evaluate the integration of 6x plus 4 raised to 1 by 2. Then how will you get here? See here carefully. It will be 6x plus 4 raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 into derivative of 6x plus 4 is 6. Okay, I have written here in detail. Okay, so next step, that means it is 6x plus 4 raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 into 6. Check this, and it is from 0 to 2. So see the integration, it is from 0 to 2. Now next step, see here, 3 by 2 into 6 means it will be 9 here to the denominator. So hence we will write 6x plus 4 raised to 3 by 2 upon denominator will be 9, and it is from 0 to 2. Okay. Now to get the definite answer, we will put the limits, but before that 1 upon 9 is common. Now it is 6x plus 4 raised to 3 by 2, and in which we have to put the limits, that is from 0 to 2. So see the calculation now, that is 1 upon 9 as it is. Now first of all I will put the upper limit here. So 6 into 2 is 12, 12 plus 4 16, so it will be 16 raised to 3 by 2, minus if you put lower limit, that is 0, 6 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4, so 4 raised to 3 by 2. Now what will you get here? 1 upon 9 into bracket. Now 16 raised to 3 by 2. Now there is a square root also. So square root of 16 is 4. So it will be 4 cube, minus here also square root of 4 is 2. So it will be 2 cube. Then what will you get here? 1 upon 9 into bracket 4 cube is 64, minus 2 cube is 8. Okay, and hence after this you will get the calculation, that is 64 minus 8, that is 56 upon 9 square units. So this is the area of that required region. Okay, see the calculation here carefully. Here first of all the curve is given, that is y is equal to root of 6x plus 4, and that is 6x plus 4 raised to 1 by 2, and to evaluate the integration of this we have used this rule, that is integration of ax plus b raised to n dx is equal to ax plus b raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into a. Into a means it is the derivative of ax plus b, and by using that rule we have solved this, and then by calculation, by putting the upper limit first and then lower limit, we get the answer, that is by calculation it is 56 upon 9 square units. So keep it as it is, not necessary to divide by 9 here, just to write 56 upon 9 square units. Now see, another example is given, another curve is given. 2y is equal to 5x plus 7. It is bounded from x is equal to 2 to x is equal to 8, bounded to x axis. Now in answer, first of all I will write given function is 2y is equal to 5x plus 7, but I have to express it in the form of y is equal to f of x. So what is the value of y here? Y is equal to 5x plus 7. So always you remember, first of all you have to express the given function in the form of y is equal to f of x. Okay, if it is not given to you, then you express in the terms of y is equal to f of x. Here it is given 2y is equal to 5x plus 7. So I have written here y is equal to 5x plus 7 upon 2. It is bounded to x axis from x is equal to 2 to x is equal to 8. Now to get the area of the required region, area A is equal to, we have to integrate it from 2 to 8 of y dx. Okay, now here in this case it is from 2 to 8, y is what? 5x plus 7 upon 2 dx. Now to evaluate this integration, first of all we will take 1 by 2 outside of the integration into integration of from 2 to 8 integration of 5x plus 7 dx. Now see, just you have to integrate this. Now 1 by 2 as it is, now into integration. Now what will you get? Integration of 5x, 5 as it is, integration of x will be x square upon 2. Okay, plus next term is 7 as it is, integration of x is integration of 1 is x. Okay, check this integration, and it is from 2 to 8. See, integration of 5x, 5 as it is, integration of x is x square upon 2, plus here it is 7, so 7 as it is into integration of 1, that is x. Now just you put the limits here, 1 by 2 as it is. Now in curly bracket I will write, first of all I will put 8 here, means upper limit. So this is 5 as it is into 8 square, 8 square is 64 upon 2, plus 7 into 8, that is 56, minus, now we have to put x is equal to 2 here. So this is 5 into 2 square is 4 upon 2, plus this is 7 into 2, that is 14. Now detailed calculations here carefully. Now solve this, we get here 1 by 2 as it is. Now in curly bracket, first of all solve this bracket. So it will be, if you divide this, then 5 as it is, 5 into, we get here 32, plus this is 56, minus here in this bracket you will get 10 plus 14. Okay, next step. So this is 1 by 2 as it is. Now in curly bracket, 5 into 32, that is 160, plus this is 56, minus this is 24. 10 plus 14 is 24. Now see the calculation here. So it is 1 by 2 into bracket. Now once 160 plus 56 and minus 24, that will be, if you check this carefully, then it will be 192. Okay, see this, 160 plus 56 minus 24, that is 192, and hence if you divide this by 2, you will get 96 square units. So this is the area of the region which is bounded by that given curve. The curve is given y is equal to 5x plus 7 upon 2. So try to solve this type of examples whenever the function is given in the form of y is equal to f of x. Just to evaluate the definite integration by proper steps, and you will get the area of the region bounded by that particular curve. Okay, thank you.